equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger, cyclonic separator, and tank in your Dyson 14 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson 14 to ensure safety. Next, remove the tank by pressing the release button and lifting it away from the main body. This will expose the internal components, allowing for easier access to the trigger and cyclonic separator. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws securing the trigger assembly. There are typically 2 screws. Remove them carefully and set them aside. If you find any debris or dust, use the soft brush to clean the area thoroughly. This not only helps in the repair but also improves the overall performance of your vacuum. Once the screws are out, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the body. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, let's focus on the cyclonic separator. You will notice that it is held in place by a few clips. Carefully unclip these and lift the separator out. Inspect it for any blockages or damage. If it's dirty, give it a good clean with warm soapy water and let it dry completely before reinstallation. Next, we will replace the tank. Check the rubber seals for wear and tear. If they are damaged, it's best to replace them to ensure a proper seal. Align the tank back into the main body and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Now, let's reattach the trigger assembly. Align it correctly and insert the screws back into their original positions. Tighten them gently but firmly to avoid stripping the screws. Remember, a quote before repair is always available if you need assistance with parts or further repairs. Finally, give your Dyson a thorough clean, focusing on the filters and any other accessible areas. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson 14 and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We are here to help you keep your vacuum in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.